And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
You know, after a quiet weekend across northeast Wisconsin, we are going to see some active weather and wintry weather returning as we start the work week. And here's a look at what we're expecting. A winter storm watch right now for Brown County, Outagamie County, several counties throughout the viewing area. Down to the south, that is a winter weather advisory for tomorrow afternoon through Tuesday morning. So what can we expect? Well, a lot of the precipitation will move on in through the afternoon hours, starting in the south and then working its way north into the evening. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, all possible. So a mixed bag out there. Minor snow and sleet accumulations. This isn't going to be like a snow event. The bigger concern is ice, as much as between a glaze to as much as 2/10 of an inch is possible, and that is enough to make for some very treacherous and even dangerous travel later tomorrow into Tuesday morning. So definitely some travel concerns there, and we will of course keep you posted as we get closer to the main event. But out there right now, things are quiet. A look at College Avenue in Appleton, 19 degrees, a south wind at 5 miles per hour. Temperatures generally in the lower 20s across the area, 21 in Green Bay, 24 in Kewanee, and 23 currently in Clintonville. With a little bit of a breeze out there, wind chills are down into the teens across much of the area. Satellite radar picture, things are quiet. We still have high pressure influencing our weather. Lots of clear skies, but down to the south, this is it. This is the big storm system. Ice storm warnings for parts of the plains, and they're getting hit with a lot of ice and wintry weather to our south. You can see the colder air over Wisconsin. So as that system comes on up, we're going to get warmer air surging up at higher levels, but at the surface, we're going to stay cold with temperatures right around freezing, if not below freezing, and that is why there is such a concern for ice for us later tomorrow into tomorrow night. There's a look at some of those ice storm warnings. This system impacting a lot of real estate across the central U.S. For us tomorrow into Tuesday morning, snow, sleet, and freezing rain definitely going to make for some headaches out on the roads. Here's how everything kind of plays out. Tonight, clear skies, quiet. We'll see some high clouds start to drift in late. Tomorrow becoming cloudy, and then as we move into the afternoon, we'll start to see some of the wintry precipitation move in south of the Fox Valley. By evening and the evening commute, we are starting to see it move into Appleton, Green Bay, up through Shawano, and then a mix of wintry, snow, sleet, freezing rain could change over to rain at times tomorrow night into Tuesday before it all kind of wraps up. Ice amounts, lower amounts down to the south, a glaze, but up to the north, again, as much as 2/10 of an inch is possible, and that could also cause some tree damage as well. Snow amounts, fairly minor. Most areas less than an inch. Up to the north, the best chance at 1 to 3 inches. But then after the icy weather, it gets very mild. We're going to thaw out for the rest of the week and also looking a lot quieter as well. Tonight, 13 degrees. Then for tomorrow, up to 34. But temperatures will be either at or below freezing for much of tomorrow, and that is why we have such a concern for ice. The rain wraps up and the wintry weather wraps up fairly early on Tuesday by the afternoon. And then just a mild stretch of weather next week, highs in the 40s.
As long as we can get past, you know, the ice and things like that, next week looks good.
Yeah, clear sailing after that.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, Matt.